can see the work has started from this stump here, from this neighbor's place. You can view it. Here now the height is okay. This is the last height here. You can see. This place is complete. This place is completed now. Still. Cover here, that's that place we wanted to go for. Gates will cover it. So this place too is completed. This place is completed. So just from here. Just remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 courses more. It's almost completed. If they don't complete this night, because the work even on the night, so you can see that. They cannot complete this night. I'm sure to know the this place will be join you. This place is almost. What's the name? How many places now for this one? Last one. 2, 3, 7. Okay, this is the last. Okay, this one is almost one more course, and this one will be complete. And then they make it up here. Then the next is to follow here. You can see they have laid this block here. They have laid up block. Tomorrow they will continue. 2 persons concentrate on laying the block while 2 are working to complete it. By tomorrow, they will face the brick again, just to show you.